morning, students. Today I am going to introduce a branch of mathematics. To introduce that branch of mathematics, I want to start with an activity. First, we will do an activity. In that activity, first draw an horizontal line. First draw an horizontal line. Let the initial point be A. Let the initial point be A. Now I am locating some points like B, C, D, E. Let the distance between AB is 3 units. From A to C is 6 units. From A to D 9 units. From A to E 12 units. Here first draw horizontal line and located BCDE points. Here A supposed as initial point. Here AB is equals to 3 units supposed. AC is equals to 6 units. AD is equal to 9 units. AE is equals to 12 units. Suppose I am taking an angle of theta. Taking an angle of theta. From B, draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular. From C also drawing a perpendicular. Similarly, draw from D also a perpendicular. From E also drawing perpendiculars. Drawing perpendiculars. These are all right angles. Let the distance between these 2 points as 4 units, 8 units, 12 units, 16 units. Let this line be BP, CQ, DR, ES. Here in this small triangle, here existing right angle. Here existing right angle in this triangle. Therefore, by observing, all are right angle triangles. Therefore, all are right angle triangles. In this figure, we have 4 right angle triangles. First one is triangle ABP. Second one is triangle ACQ. Triangle ADR. Triangle AES. AES. These are all triangles. First drawn horizontal lines, then BCDE located. From BCDE drawn perpendiculars such that AB is equal to 3 units, BP is equal to 4 units, AC is equal to 6, CQ is equal to 8, AD is equal to 9, DR is equal to 12, AE is equal to 12, ES is equal to 16 units. Like that, by assuming these units drawn right angle triangles. Now, in this right angle triangle, AB is known as adjacent side. AB is known as adjacent side. BP is known as opposite side to theta. Similarly, AC is the adjacent side, CQ is the opposite side. AD is the adjacent side to theta, DR is the opposite side to theta. AE is the adjacent side to theta, ES is the opposite side to theta. Therefore, AP is known as hypotenuse in this triangle. AQ is known as hypotenuse in this triangle. AR is known as hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. AS is known as hypotenuse in this biggest right angle triangle. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, find out AP. Similarly, find out AQ hypotenuse, AR hypotenuse, AS hypotenuse. First, I am using the small triangle. Here which is A, B, P. Here theta existing, here 90 existing. Here 3 is there, 3 is supposed, here 4 is supposed. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Means AP square is equals to AB square plus BP square. Here we don't know about AB, but AB is equals to 3 units, 3 square plus 4 square. That is equals to 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16. 9 plus 16, 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. Means AP whole square is equals to 5 square. AP is equals to 5. Therefore, from here to here distance is 5 units. From this triangle, after applying Pythagoras theorem, we got hypotenuse as 5 units. Similarly, apply Pythagoras theorem for ACQ. Similarly, apply Pythagoras theorem for ACQ. You will get 6 square plus 8 square is equals to 36 plus 64 means 100 means 10 square. Therefore, you will get from A to Q distance as 10 units. Similarly, apply Pythagoras theorem for ADR also. If we apply Pythagoras theorem for ADR, we will get 9 square plus 12 square, which is 81, which is 144, is equals to 225. That is equals to 15 square. Therefore, from here to here distance is 15 units. Similarly, apply Pythagoras theorem for AES. You will get 12 square plus 16 square. That is 144 plus 256 is equals to 400. You will get 20 square. Therefore, you will get AS as 20 units. AS as 20 units. Therefore, here in this activity, first to draw horizontal line, located BCDE points. From BCDE drawn perpendiculars. Here AB, AC, AD, AE supposed as 3 units, 6 units, 9 units, 12 units. Similarly, supposed perpendicular distances of perpendiculars are 4 units, 8, 12, 16 units. By using Pythagoras theorem, we found hypotenuse values as 5, 10, 15, 20 units. Now, here record your observations in this. In ABP, first find out, this is known as adjacent side. Here in this triangle, in right angle triangle, if it is theta, which becomes adjacent side, which is opposite side, which is hypotenuse. Record all such type of values under this. In this table, we are writing. First write opposite sides. Then write adjacent sides. Then find out hypotenuse values. After finding these values, find out opposite side by hypotenuse values. Then find out adjacent side by hypotenuse values. First see In ABP, opposite side is 4 units. In ABP, which is 4 units, opposite side is 4 units. In ACQ, opposite side is 8 units. Similarly, 12 units, 16 units. Now record adjacent sides. AB is the adjacent side, AC is the adjacent side, AD is the adjacent side, AE is the adjacent sides. Means record these values 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now record hypotenuse. Here AP is the hypotenuse, AQ is the hypotenuse, AR is the hypotenuse, AS is the hypotenuse. Means record these values 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now find out the ratio of opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the opposite side column, this is the hypotenuse column. Find out the ratio of these. 4 by 5. You will get 4 by 5. Here you will get 8 by 10. 8 by 10. Here you will get 12 by 15. 12 by 15. Here you will get 16 by 20. 16 by 20. Now 2 4s are 2 5s are. You will get 4 by 5. Here also you will get 4 by 5. Here also you will get 4 by 5. Therefore, all opposite side by hypotenuse ratios are equal in all triangles. Similarly, now find out adjacent side by hypotenuse. Means 3 by 5. 3 by 5. 6 by 10. 9 by 15. 12 by 20. 12 by 20. Now simplify. 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5, which is also 3 by 5, which is also 3 by 5. After finding ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse, we got a constant. After finding ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse are constant. Here ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse is the constant in these all triangles. Here ABP, ACQ, ADR, AESR all are similar triangles. Similar triangles means ABP is the similar triangle to ACQ. ACQ and ADR are similar triangles. All are similar triangles to mutually. Therefore, all are similar triangles. In these similar triangles, if we find the ratio between opposite and hypotenuse, getting constant. If we find the ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse in similar triangles, finally we are getting constant. This constant ratio means opposite side by hypotenuse. Ratio between opposite and hypotenuse in similar triangles is known as sine. Here also we are getting a constant, which is the ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse, is known as cos. Here opposite and hypotenuse, opposite and hypotenuse with respect to theta. Similarly, adjacent side and hypotenuse, adjacent side and hypotenuse with respect to theta are constants. Therefore, here which is known as sine theta. This ratio is known as sine theta. This ratio is known as cos theta. Therefore, by this activity, fundamental functions sine theta and cosine theta, primary functions are defined. Here sine theta and cosine theta are simply ratios between opposite side and hypotenuse in similar triangles. Cosine theta is the ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse. Just it is the ratio. These ratios are known as, such type of ratios are known as sine theta. Explains sine theta. In similar triangles, if we find the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse, opposite side and hypotenuse, opposite side and hypotenuse, opposite side and hypotenuse gives constant value, that is known as sine theta. If you find out the ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse, adjacent side and hypotenuse, adjacent side and hypotenuse, that gives a constant value like this. Such type of ratios are known as cosine theta. If you find out the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side, opposite side and adjacent side, opposite side and adjacent side, opposite side and adjacent, that is opposite side and adjacent side, this ratio also a constant. This ratio is known as tan theta. Like this, by using this activity, trigonometric functions defined. Therefore, a great branch of mathematics introduced by this activity. By this activity, we can understand always in similar triangles, ratio between opposite and hypotenuse, ratio between adjacent and hypotenuse, ratio between opposite side and adjacent sides are constants. Such type of constants ratios are known as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. By using sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, we can define another trigonometric ratios. Okay, like this we can learn trigonometry, a great branch of mathematics.